Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Getting ready to go into a commercial business here in town, and going to be adding a receptacle, and we're going to be putting the power in, cutting the box in the wall, and installing receptacle. So we'll see if we can get some video of that, so you can see how this process of that goes. So let's go in and see what's going on. All right. Right here is where the receptacle is going to be. Don't want to talk too loud, so let's go above the ceiling. Find some power. Well, there is the wall we're going to be in. One of the problems is the wall on the side we're going to be on is drywall. Might be able to see it. The other side of the wall, I'm at right now, is drop ceiling. We're up on the ceiling. We're up in the ceiling right now. But the nearest power, not seeing any power. This is lighting. It's what we call high voltage, so we can't use that. So you go way over there. There's a box. We'll check it out. All right. We had to search kind of hard to get to it. Furniture and stuff in the way, but here's the circuit we're going to be using. We've got to take it. There's that wall way over there. So we have to take our flex, take it across the ceiling here, and drop it down the wall. Okay, just to review real quick. There's the hole I cut for my power. Didn't know it, but the stud was cooking in the wall. Can't see that, so I've got to try to get that out of the way. Shouldn't be a problem. Now I'm getting ready to fish up the wall. And there it is. Alright, as you can see, I got my flex tied on to my fish stick, we call it. And normally you'd have, if you have help with you, they would be down at the bottom pulling it and you'd be feeding it. I'm by myself, so I'm going to push it as far as I can and then pull it. And there it is. go finish the other end. That water was hot, so don't try that at home. I probably shouldn't be trying it either. Alright, now I'm going to go out and see if I've got an extension ready, because this box is awful packed. But other than that, we're going to check it and we'll be done. Alright, we got that one done. It wasn't too bad, other than when I was initially looking for the stud in the wall so I can miss it, so I can cut my cutting box for my receptacle in the wall. Something was not square going down the wall. It was either the wall or the stud in the wall, but the end that I was measuring from initially, it was 13 inches, and then so I measured over, and and I allowed for that, went back. Then when I cut my hole, I hit the stud on the left side, and it was about 1.5 inches difference. So those, if that was the case, those metal stud guys have something to be desired. But anyway, the box ended up, I just knocked it out of the way a little bit in the wall, and the box fit in the wall okay. A little bit hard to find the power I had to run. I ended up having to run my flex about 25.5 feet, 25 feet, something like that. Strap it up and whatnot. So you're dealing with the existing ceiling. You try not to mess the ceiling tiles up because they're in, you know, it's an existing building. Had to wear a mask the whole time because it's a healthcare. It's not a hospital, but it's insurance place. So they're considered following protocol because they're in the healthcare industry. Pretty interesting. But anyway, we got that one done. Now we're gonna head down by the river, or close to the river, and help my partner out. He's starting a job there, and probably be there the rest of the day. So we'll talk at you soon. God bless, and have a great day.